Welcome to Global Economic Review. Uh, Today, I'm going to discuss with you three important economic issues of the last week. One is iPhone replacing the word racist with the Trump. Apple is fixing a bug within the dictation feature on some iPhones that briefly suggests the word Trump when a word with an R consonant is spoken, including racist. The company is responding to the controversy after some iPhone owners posted videos on social media this week to detail how the glitch works. When a user activated the dictation feature and said the word racist, the word Trump appears in the next window before quickly being replaced by the correct word, according to the various videos posted online. We are aware of an issue with the speech recognition model that powered dictation, and we are rolling out a fix today, Apple said in a statement on Wednesday. So it means that this news is not a fake or an AI generated news, it's a true problem or a true bug in some of the iPhones. The company said that the speech recognition model that powered the voice to text feature might show words with some phonetic overlap. They also mentioned that an R consonant were also erroneously triggered the bug. So this week, this is interesting that this is the feature or this is the problem or a bug they are detecting in their iPhone, which is the most powerful product of the Apple company. Uh, they also announced this week that they have a plan to invest more than 500 billion and hire 20,000 people in United States over the next 4 years, as well as build a new factory in Texas aimed Trump's threat to impose tariffs on imports. We see that this is some interesting aspect of an iPhone. The second important economic issue I want to discuss is about Europe. Europe's economy needs a boost. After the US President Donald Trump's policies of trade restrictions or trade barriers in terms of a tariff, and also with related to Ukraine policy and their not warm receptions to the Europeans, Europe's ability to defend itself without America depends on its economy. Faster growth makes more money available for defense, but hurt by a high energy prices or a cost. Chinese competition and potential trade wars, European companies need a boost. On Wednesday, the European Commission will try to provide one in the form of a two proposals, one on simplifying reporting requirements of a firm on sustainability, the second on help deregulation. The work for deregulation, which begins in America, has come to Europe, but it will be a lot less extreme there. The Commission's proposal on greening industry will also be less forceful than the subsidy fueled Inflation Reduction Act of the Biden's administration. The Commission will probably relax state aid rules, giving government more flexibility to support green industries and stabilize energy prices. It will also propose change to public procurement rules, enabling government to favor European suppliers of a green technology. So that's a news related to the European economy. The third one is also related to Europe, but in a different aspect. Will Germany's election boost consumers' confidence in Germany? We know that during the last week, Germany has had an election, and Friedrich Merz, who is likely to become the Germany's next chancellor, used his victory in Sunday's election to issue a remarkable warning to his compatriots, the fellow citizens. This was not the need to achieve his country's ailing economy, nor to respond to the alarming strong performance of the hard right Alternative for Germany's or AFD party. It was a blistering indictment of Germany's chief ally, the United States of America, and its President Donald Trump. Mr. Murr said, "It is clear that Americans, especially this administration, are largely indifferent to the fate of Europe." He went on to declare in his absolute priority to help Europe achieve independence without the USA. So they are astonishing. These are astonishing words from an incoming German chancellor, the leader of the Christian Democratic Union, and a lifelong Atlantist. Unfortunately, Mr. Mez is right. Europe does indeed have to contemplate being able to defend itself without America fighting by its side. His problem is that saying it is easier than doing something about it. On the local front, on Wednesday, JFK, a research firm, released Germany's Consumer Confidence Index for March. Consumer sentiment declined in February. Both economic expectation and consumers' willingness to spend were lower than in the previous month. Last week's election, however, could lift their spirit. The likely new chancellor, Friedrich Merz, is seen as much bolder leader and a more business friendly than Olaf Scholz, the outgoing one. Mr. Merz has pledged to cut red tape and lower taxes to boost the economy. He wants to simplify immigration rules for skilled foreign workers and encourage more pensioners to remain in the workforce. He has also promised to increase defense spending as a part of a plan to make Europe less reliant on America, which could cheer German companies. Any rise in consumer confidence may not be visible in the February figures, but sign of optimism could appear by the end of the next month. So this is all what I want to share this week from the global perspective, economic issues. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.